Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to make an easy shaker musical instrument. And this will be a tutorial, so let's get right into this instructional video tutorial. What I have made here is a super duper, extremely easy musical shaker instrument, okay? And basically, it's just an instrument that you can use, and you use it by shaking it, okay? And I made it really easily. As you can see, it's just a Tupperware, okay? So it's just a container, and I just put some pasta in it. But you can really use anything that you want that will make sounds inside of it. So you want to get a container, and you can use a bigger container or a smaller one, but I chose this one because it is small enough that it's easy to hold, and it still makes a good sound, and it still holds a good amount of stuff in it, okay? So I just put some pasta in there, as you can see. But you can use pasta, you can use rice, you can use anything. Really, literally, you can use like beads, you can use, I don't know, like little pebbles or little rocks, like whatever you want. You can use anything that you want. Those are just some of the examples, but you can literally use anything that you want. But you got to put the thing inside of there. And the way that you make the sound, okay, when you have a container similar to this, and you put something in there like pasta, like rice, like beads, like little pebbles, literally like anything that you can imagine. The way that you make the sound is you just shake it. Okay, so that's a little bit like, well, I'm not gonna lie, I impressed myself. That sounded pretty good. And that was completely freestyle, improvised, off the top, off the dome over here. But that's basically it. Now, as you could hear, there were different sounds that I produced with it, which is why I like this container for the purpose of this. Obviously, you can use it to store stuff like food and stuff like that, but like using a container like this is great for making a little shaker instrument, because you can make one sound by shaking it like that, another sound by turning sideways, and then another sound on the lid. Another sound by hitting it against you. Once again, that sounded amazing, if I do say so myself. But yeah, that's how to make the instrument. That's how to use the instrument. Obviously, you can use different stuff inside of it. You can use a different container, but the idea will be the same. You put stuff that makes sounds and makes noise inside of a container. And that stuff that makes sounds and noise inside of the container will make those sounds and noises when you actually shake it. But yeah, that's basically it. Hopefully you enjoyed the video, and I've got nothing else to say, so we're going to roll the outro. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.